How to use the verb I eat, τρώω, in everyday sentences. In the present, future, and past tenses. The present tense. I eat, τρώω. You eat, singular. τρως. He, she, it eats, τρώει. We eat, τρώμε. You eat, plural form, τρώτε. They eat, τρώνε. Here are sample sentences in the present tense. I eat breakfast every morning. τρώω πρωινό κάθε πρωί. Do you eat fruit often? τρως συχνά φρούτα? She eats only healthy food. τρώει μόνο υγιεινά φαγητά. We eat together at lunchtime. τρώμε μαζί το μεσημέρι. Do you eat fish often? τρώτε συχνά ψάρι? They eat early in the evening. τρώνε νωρίς το βράδυ. The future tense with the particle θα. I will eat, θα φάω. You will eat, singular, θα φας. He, she, or it will eat, θα φάει. We will eat, θα φάμε. You will eat, plural form, θα φάτε. They will eat, θα φάνε. I will eat breakfast later. Θα φάω πρωινό αργότερα. Will you eat with us tomorrow? Θα φας με μας αύριο? He will eat at the office today. Θα φάει στο γραφείο σήμερα. We will eat out tonight. Θα φάμε έξω το βράδυ. Will you eat something now? Θα φάτε κάτι τώρα? They will eat early tomorrow. Θα φάνε νωρίς αύριο. The past tense. I ate, έφαγα. You ate, singular. έφαγες. He, she, or it ate, έφαγε. We ate, φάγαμε. You ate, plural form, φάγατε. They ate, έφαγαν. I ate breakfast early. Έφαγα πρωινό νωρίς. Did you eat breakfast today? Έφαγες πρωινό σήμερα? He ate at home this evening. Έφαγε στο σπίτι απόψε. We ate out on Sunday. Φάγαμε έξω την Κυριακή. Did you eat something this morning? Φάγατε κάτι σήμερα το πρωί? They ate very little. Έφαγαν πολύ λίγο. Γεια σας. My name is George Lambrou and thank you for practicing with 1 Hour Language. Check out the next video in the series for more practice.